On a new journey, we moved towards Swat motorway through Hazara motorway along with Muzaffarabad Jeep Club. The raindrops in the morning refreshed our journey. The beautiful morning journey and breathtaking views of the Swat motorway was exemplary. After a cold night's journey, the exhaustion was lost somewhere in the sips of hot tea. The first snowfall of the year greeted us in Swat with great enthusiasm. The beautiful view of the river and snow-laden mountains of Swat Valley refreshed our soul. Muzaffarabad Jeep Club's car drifting performance on ice was a marvel to turn a cold, silent night into a celebration. This moment was one of the unforgettable moments of my life. In the morning, everything was covered in snow. Dark clouds, mountains, and snow on the ground created a strange atmosphere. A trip to Swat Forest in such a weather was a wonderful experience. The beautiful lake views and the serene flowing river make visitors lost in its beauty. Bahrain's vibrant markets and cuisines attract tourists. The lifestyle, culture, and unique vehicles of the people of the valley attract the attention of tourists. At the end of the journey, we carry with us unforgettable memories of Swat.